Hi guys, this is Emily Dieterding. This is my Module 12 reflection on Internet safety. The first question, using the information provided, why is Internet safety so important and what is your role as an educator? I think as technology becomes more advanced and it is used more in a classroom, I think there's definitely going to be more opportunities to bring up Internet safety. And I think um, it's just very important because I don't think a lot of parents are going to mention this to their children. Maybe they will, I don't know. But I think as an educator, it's very important that we talk to them about it first. Um, it says, how would we go about teaching internet safety in our future classroom? Well, I think definitely before any lessons start where they are using the internet and doing any sorts of research papers, etc., there needs to be a lesson over the internet safety and just kind of brief them on what could happen, and just all of the things that were talked about while getting that certificate. Number two, what were your thoughts after exploring the NetSmarts website and completing the Teaching Digital Citizen Training Program? I thought it was a good website. I really feel like I actually learned quite a bit. I thought I knew, the basics, like don't put your number out there, don't meet up with people you met online, that kind of thing. But it also went into a little more detail why, and there were other things that were talked about that I hadn't thought of before. And I thought it was sweet and short and simple and to the point, but you also learned a lot. I think it would be actually very useful for all educators to go through this. I mean, I don't know how much this certificate really means, but I think it is important that they do know this. All right. Reflect on the main points described in the safety article. What useful information you were able to take away from this article. I just think kind of like what we learned about in the NetSmarts certification, a lot of it was the same stuff, don't meet anybody online that you haven't met in real life, don't give out personal information, and I think all of that's something we need to take into consideration.